Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. As always, thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. One of my all-time faves. If you watch my videos, you know that. 19 GT350. Of course, we just installed our favorite Gen 5 Whipple Supercharger. We're gonna watch a dyno pull this bad boy, laying down 750 real-world horsepower through the stock exhaust manifolds. So if you haven't, subscribe and notify and stay up to date. Before we watch that dyno pull, we're gonna go over, check out the engine compartment so you can see the blower as well as the couple of other mods we installed as well. Let's go check it out. All right, we're running 93 octane on the sweet GT350. Doug, come take a look. It is the Whipple kit. It has the Whipple calibration. You get the Gen 5 3-liter supercharger. Included by default is the big 132 millimeter throttle body. This is running the 3.8 pulley, which is standard on the kit. But what else did we install on this intercooled supercharger? Well, we have the base Whipple kit right here. We did billet oil pump gears and cooling mods. You know I love those. Our big Adler radiator. We have the rear cylinder head cooling kit. It's a sweet setup. So if you haven't, you can email quote@brenspeed.com and say, what's this cost to get installed? And check that description. As always, I'll put links to all the parts I just talked about so you can read more about it. Check out this dyno pull. I love it because these numbers, they're pretty predictable on 93 octane. Doug, check this out. 750 real horsepower, 7,900 RPM. That's DynoJet SAE. Torque 554 at right here, 5,800 RPM. And then this is pretty normal. So I will put a link to a playlist at the end of this. Let's go over here and take a look. I'll put a link to this playlist I have on the GT350 Whipples. You'll see a lot of them, that 740, 750 real horse. You know, sometimes a little higher, and sometimes we tweak the car a little more, 800 real horse. So we have lots of options for that. You know, so if you want more than this, you just email quote@brenspeed.com and say, I want to bring my car in. I want a little more than that right there. We can give you a quote and what else is involved with that. But hey, I'm Brent. As always, if you have any questions on a 350 like this or any other Mustang or F-150, leave that question in the comment. I'd be happy to answer. So that's all today. Thanks for watching.